This video is on how to install a motor in a PN-12 version 2 power nozzle where you have the belt on the side. The two areas you're going to look for is this section here and then this section. They're going to hook there and there. So you want to get them underneath of those two spots. So really just kind of get it set down in here. Sometimes it might seem like it's kind of difficult to get that in place, but as you can see, as soon as I got it in there, it all wanted to roll down. You're going to want to make sure your wires are not pinched, that they're in the center. But as you can see, they're already in position, so all you have to do at this point is just kind of push it down into place and it'll sit. It's not going to snap hard. It's really just kind of got to push down into place, and then that'll be it. And you put that there and you're ready to install the rest of your components. If you have any questions, let us know.